Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this golden hour makeup. It's super easy, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's just go ahead and get started. So I finally picked up my favorite foundation. Sephora finally opened, so I had to go pick it up because it's been a while that I've used this foundation. So I went ahead and picked it up again, and this is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation by NARS. And this is my favorite foundation. Like I said, I highly recommend it. And I also got the concealer, so I did get this creamy concealer by NARS as well, and this is in the shade Custard. I did go ahead and set my concealer with translucent powder, and I did use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'll have everything listed down below just in case I forget to mention anything. You know, you could find it in the description box listed down below. And now I'm moving on to bronzer. I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm going to be cleaning everything up, you know, just to make it look more clean and more sharp. And I'm also going to be applying blush, and the blush I'm going to be using is by Laura Mercier, and it's in the color Peach. I'm also going to be applying a little bit of highlight. I don't apply as much highlight as I used to before. I don't know if you guys remember, but I kind of stopped applying so much highlight, so now I just apply it on the tip of my nose, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to be brushing that powder off my face, and I'm going to be applying this Evian Natural Mineral Water facial spray all over my entire face. Moving on to eyeshadow. This eyeshadow look is super easy. Anybody could do this look because it's just that easy. So I'm going to be using an oldie but a goodie. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette, the first palette that ever came out. And I'm going to be using this eyeshadow called Creamsicle, and I'm applying this all over my entire crease. I'm using my Morphe M441 brush to apply this eyeshadow called Pukey. I'm applying this on the crease, and I'm also going to be packing this all over my entire eyelid. And that is pretty much it. That's all the colors I'm going to be using for today's look. The lashes I'll be using today are by Baddie B Lashes, and these are in the style Snob. To finish up this look and complete the look, I'm going to be applying lipstick. This is by Kylie, and this is in the color Exposed. But that is pretty much it for today. I'm going to be posting a lot more makeup tutorials soon, so stay tuned because there's going to be some bomb ass eyeshadow. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I also post a lot of videos on there.